Or any issue, any confusion, you can ask me. Ulpushi. Okay. Just I just mentioned earlier also. Just keep practice every session daily basis, because if you didn't practice, didn't try to implement, then you will forget. Okay. Hello Nazar. Good morning. Nazar, can you hear me? Yeah. Good morning Nazar. How are you? I'm also good. So let's start the session. Can you see the screen? Okay, another before starting, let me just inform you. Okay, whatever are the video I have shared with you, the video link of YouTube or WordPress. So you have to implement that video into your local system. Okay, means whatever within the video, try to install the same theme, try to create the same pages, try to install the same plugins, okay, and follow the steps whatever the, within the video, within the teaches in the video. Try to implement, try to create the same website in any other folder. Okay, this is the one folder for our session and one folder for that video session. Okay. Okay, you can create any number of website within your root directory. Okay, any number of website of WordPress, any number of website of our any framework coordinator, or any or our core PHP website. Okay, there's no limitations. You can create new video and new folder. Every folder represent just a website within your root directory. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss about the first about the our what is the plugins, how we install the plugins, how we use the plugins. Okay. And second thing, we already discussed about the widgets. There is the widgets option. In the appearance, there is a widgets or not. We already discussed a pre-coded module. We just use the functionality of that widgets. Did you remember about the widgets? Just drag and drop. Just we need to drag and drop these widgets. Now, did you practice since last 3 or 4 sessions? Means did you practice about the WordPress? Yeah, just keep practicing on daily basis. Okay. Okay. Let's see. First, we will install. Let me see. Okay. In the widgets, we can create our own container, own widget area. Okay, this is the widget area primary slider. They just put the title of this widget area primary slider. Okay, by default it is created within our theme, and this is the secondary slider. Means there is two widgets area. We can create our own widgets area. Today we will see how we create from the code. Okay, from the code there is a file function.php. From that file function.php, we can create our widgets area. Okay, after creating the widgets area, we have to, if we want to include our widget area into any form, into any theme, how we do that we will see. Okay, but before that, let's see about the our plugins. What is the plugins, and how we use the plugin, how we install the plugins. Okay, there is one option into your admin or dashboard, admin panel or dashboard, plugins. Okay, can you see the option in every in every themes? There is a option. Always there is a option about the plugins. Okay, these option will can be vary theme to theme. Okay, can be vary these options. These options mean there would be a more options in different theme. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Now, right now we are using our downloaded theme, indicate theme. We can use the indicate theme also, or our previous theme 2015 or 2014. Let's use the 2014. I'm just activating our previous theme, nothing else. Okay. Do you remember how we activate our previously installed themes? Just click on activate, go to this and click on activate. Then our previous theme will be activated. You can see the look and feel has been changed. Okay. Now let's see about the plugins. What is the plugins? Okay. If you click on the install plugins, then it will redirect us to a window, to a page where all the plugins already installed into our theme, into our WordPress site is visible. Means, or you can see the list of installed plugins. Now question is, what is plugin? Plugin is the same as widgets, but plugins have more functionalities, more customizations. Okay, we can customize every plugin according to our requirement. As per the client requirement, we can customize the theme, customize the plugins. Okay, and there is a so many thousands of plugins available for different tasks. Okay, if you want to, let's assume, if you want to create a contact us page. Okay, if you want to just create a contact us page, so there is a plugin available for creating a contact us page also. Okay, if you want to create a slider, what is the slider? Slider, just slide the images or content. Slider, did you understand slider? Image slider, or any text box, or with the div slider. Did you hear this word anywhere else? Slider. Yeah, most of the website, in the top of our home page there is one image slider. Means there is some images, and these images just slide automatically in the particular interval of time. Okay, so this is called slider. So we can, if you want to include any slider into a site, yeah, there is a slide, there is a plugin available for that also. So for maximum, for all tasks we need to implement in our website, we have one plugin. Just we have to know the name of that plugin, or just we need to know how we search on the web, nothing else. Okay, okay, Nazar, let's see. First we are going to include our slider. Okay, I just put a name or good plugin slider. Kushi, did you understand what is the plugins? Another, just define another, Kushi. Anyone please define what is the plugin, working of plugin. Kushi, just define what is the plugins in our WordPress site. Means for any okay, Nazar, please describe the plugins. What is the plugins exactly? Yeah, what is the plugin? Just we discussed right before. No, okay, it's not a software. It's a, yeah, you can say the functionality, a functionality, pre-coded functionality available for WordPress site. We can add that functionality into our WordPress site and we can use that functionality after adding the plugins. Okay, pre-coded module, same as pre-coded module. Plugins also pre-coded modules, pre-coded functionality in PHP. The whole code of plugins in PHP, JavaScript, jQuery. Okay, so we use these plugins for just achieve our expectation or achieve our requirement as per the client need. Okay, so from where we can search the plugins, just click on here, plugins. Okay, then it will just lead us to a window. This window just display or listed all installed, previously installed plugins. Okay, you can add new plugin from here. Just click on add new plugin and you can search from here. It will search from the web. Okay, slider. I just forget about the name exactly about plugin. Yes, slider. One second, please be on. Yeah, let's continue. Okay, are you there, Nazar and Kushi? There are so many plugins of slider. Maybe the slider plugin name. Meta. You can search any plugin from here also, and in the web from web also. Okay, let's use Meta slider. Just click on install now. Okay, what I have done till now, just click on plugins tab. After clicking the plugins tab, just click on add new tab or add new plugin. Then there is a window appears. There is a search bar. I just search any name of our plugin and just click on install now. Then it will install to our website. Download failed. There is no HTTP transport available for complete the request. Same issue. Some issues. It's area. Okay, let me check. Then I will just discuss about this. The FAM www folder WordPress. There is one config file. Just add it to this config file. It's a text. Let me just check. Maybe the issue of security. That's why it's not adding. I'm just putting one line. Okay, I'll just describe this line also. refresh page. Okay, refresh not that install. More time. Hmm. Maybe the system issue. We can download directly the plugin also. Same as theme. We have downloaded one zip file. Okay, they suggested the URL for that. They suggested this URL, the http colon slash download. Okay, so I just put this URL into our URL section of browser, and automatically a file has been downloaded. Okay, now where is this file? Let me see. Actually, you in your system maybe a security issue occurs, so that issue can be resolved by using this line of code. Define, just you have to put this line, define fs method direct, means sometimes maybe in Mac, in Ubuntu, um, whenever we are trying to install plugin from that WordPress window, then they just ask us what is your FTP detail, what is your host name. So if you don't want to see that screen, so you can put this line of code. Okay, but there is any other problem in my configuration files, so we can download or install our plugins directly also. Okay, I will just send this line of code, or uh, you can see this line of code in this video also. Okay, I will send in message, in email also, today's email. I will just send this line of code and description when you need. Okay, now I have just downloaded the file, maybe in the downloads. Sorry. Yeah, I'm recording this session. Last session, the video of last session I also just sent you in the last session. Did you get the video? Yeah, indicate, no, not indicate. Just downloading and meta slider. Meta slider. Check in, downloads, and meta slider. Slider is here. Copy this and put place where I can reach easily. Okay, now let's see how we upload the plugin from our local system. We can hit a plugin installer, upload plugin. If you want to upload from your local system, means you have downloaded already, you have downloaded the plugin, you can upload that plugin from here also. Okay, just browse your file, zip file, the file within the drive. Case study folder. Just select your ML slider again and click on install now. It should be installed. Yeah, it is installed successfully. Okay, just but you have just you just try to install your plugin from that window after searching that. Okay, if it is not installed, if the window asking you FTP detail and your server detail, then you can put that line of code. Which line of code? This line of code into your wp-config.php file. It is available into your WordPress folder. Means within the WordPress folder, this file will be located. Okay, is located in within the WordPress folder. Understand, Nazar and Khushi? Yeah. While you are installing plugin, if a window asks you about your server detail, your FTP detail, then put this line of code, refresh your window, then try to install one more time, then it will install successfully. Okay. The second option, just download that particular plugin from the URL and upload that plugin from the upload option in the plugin window. Okay, and just click on activate the plugin. Okay, now our meta slider, yeah, now it is listing into our all plugins list. Okay, so it is activated meta slider. Now there should be a option. Now this option, previously there is no option about the meta slider. Okay, in our dashboard, within the dashboard also we get one new option, one new tab about the meta slider. Why? Because we added the functionality of meta slider plugin. Meta slider plugin is used to create a slider of images or any text or any div, and we can add that slider into any page or into our header or anywhere we need. Okay, let's see how we create the slide. Just click on meta slider, create your first slideshow. Okay, just click on this plus icon, add slide. Just click on add slide. That will give you pre uploaded images or media. Okay, you can upload new images, new file, new media from here also. Okay, Nazar, just click if you want to just control and use these 3 4, just use 4 images. You can use any image. Okay, add to slider. Just click on add to slider, then it will automatically add to the slider. Time. Yeah, now it is added. Okay, you can write the caption or description. You can put the URL also. Right now we are not putting any URL. We just put a description of first slide, second slide, and this is the third, and the last one is, yeah, fourth slide. Okay, what I have done till now, just uploaded the images and the slides. Okay, just click on save and preview, then it will just show you how our slider slides. Okay, maybe this window is bigger, means whenever we include this slider it will appear a smaller window, but it's just showing how our images will slide. Okay, our slides will slide. Okay, Nazar, just use a good images, then it will not stretch. And okay, so this is our slider for images. Now let's see how we use this slider into our website. Right now, If you refresh your front view, then there is nothing. One second, where is our header menu? Where is our header menu? Okay, maybe in this theme. Like open a new tab also. Let me change this theme. Our header menu is not appearing there. Did you notice that? Khushi and Nazar? Khushi, are you there? Indicate theme is also ready 2016. Did you remember from where we can change the theme, from where we can activate any other theme? Just go to appearances and the theme option. Okay, within the appearance tab, there is a theme option. Yeah, you can upload a new theme also from here. Just click on add new. After clicking add new, you can upload via this screen, or you can upload from local windows. Okay, I have just changed theme. See, here is our header menus. Okay, it is appearing here right now because of that theme. Now it is on our head section. Okay, now let's see how we add the slider. Right now there is no slider. Any page, you can go to any page, any post, okay, any category. There is no slider. Do you see slider anywhere, Nazar? This is contact page, only a image, not a slider. Okay, we have, because we have just created a slider, not include that slider anywhere into our website. So let's see how we just include our slider into the website. Close it. Okay, this is our slider. Just click on save. Yeah, it is saved already. Now just scroll down. Okay, scroll down. There is short code. Short code is a block of code. In this, the two type of slot: template include and source code. Two type of source short code are there. Okay, a block of code. If you just copy and paste this code, just you what you need to do, just copy and paste this code into any page or into any category section, then it will just convert into our slider. Do you understand what I have just said? Just what you have to do, just copy this code and paste wherever you need the slider. Is that simple or not, Nazar? Just copy. I just copied this code and go to pages, go to all pages. We have, okay, just click on edit on home page. Just paste your, okay, I just remove this. Let me remove this. Page, I'm just removing this also. Just want to short code. What I have done, just put that short code into our page, nothing else. Just click on update. Okay, I just updated. Let's see in our front view which page we use. Home page. Just click on the home. Slider should be there. Okay, now slider is there or not, Nazar? In our home page automatically. We have done nothing. We have just code. We just copy and paste two line of two not two line of code, only one line of code. So we get a slider. Okay, so this is the main advantage of WordPress and of plugins within the WordPress. We don't have to do so much task. We just need to use pre-coded functionality, pre-coded modules as per our requirement, nothing else. Okay, you can put this slider into the head section also, into this head section. But if you want to put this slider into this head section, you have to use, one second, where is our meta slider? Go back to the meta slider once. If you want to just see once more that short code, this is called the short code. Okay, if you want to see once again this short code, you can go to the meta slider and choose your slider. You will get your short code of, you can create different slider also. Okay, now this short code for if you are editing the page from your dashboard, and this short code if you want to add in the .php file directly in the header. So what is our theme? What is our theme, Nazar? You have to add this short code if you want to see this slider into the header section, okay, before or after the menu. So you have to add our shortcode into the our theme folder. Within the theme folder there is a header .php. So which theme is activated? 2016. Let's see in the file. Okay, go from here. Within the C, WAM, www, WordPress. WordPress is our folder. Within the WordPress, just go to WP content. Within the WP content, go to theme, because we have different themes. Okay. Within the theme, which theme is activated right now, Nazar? Which theme activated right now? Currently, which theme we are using? 20, 20, yeah, maybe 16, 2016. Okay. So see, are you getting the point? Means, if you want, what is our requirement? Okay, let's start from here. Our requirement is, I want to just put this header or this slider. Sorry, I just want to put this slider into the head section. Okay, so this header is same for all pages or not? For all pages, for all category, for all menus, whatever we have. Okay, so I need this slider. If you click on any other page, this slider disappear because we just included the slider into home page only. Okay, I just want to have this slider in the header section. Let's see how we do that. For that, I have to just put the short code .php code into the header.php file. There is one header.php file, but you have to put that code into activated theme. Then only you can see the code, the slider. Otherwise, you didn't see that slider. Okay, right now we have activated 2016 theme. So we will just use 2016 theme. Okay, Kushi? That's why we are within the 2016 folder. In this folder there is a header section. Okay, header.php. Now this is our header.php. Okay, Nazar, can you hear me? Okay, Kushi, are you there? Hello, Kushi, are you there? Yeah. Okay. So this is our heading section, header file. I just searched nav underscore menu. Menu underscore menu. Oh, sorry. Menu nav wp nav underscore menus. Which function we actually function also vary according theme to theme. WP. Okay, this is our navigation bar section. Okay, so we can put that theme here. Oh, sorry, that slider. How we get the slider, Nazar? Using shortcode or not? We can get the slider using shortcode. So we just have to go to meta slider and just go scroll down template include. Go to template include. Why? Because we are adding to the our .php pages. That's why you have to use within the, if you are using any short code within the .php pages, means from your uh, file explorer, you have to use this short code. Means every plugin will generate a short code for their functionality. Okay, just keep in your mind. We have to, what we have to do is put this short code. Okay, I just copied this and I just paste this. Nothing else. I have done nothing, just copy and paste into the header.php. Let's see the changes. If I refresh, now here is a slider or not in our header section. Yeah, it is not looking good, but this slider will appear for all pages. Okay, will appear for all pages. Okay, let me just try to just remove from here. The start of header of type body class. Okay, let me just try here. Maybe it will be better. Just use outside. We should use within the body. One second. Client will tell us where we want to use, then we can use according to client. Okay, right now this is a slider, and below slider the rest of website. Okay, Nazar, slider is important. Just see the working of the short code. You can just put this slider anywhere you need. You can put after the menus also, navbar, social navigation, site header menu, header main. After this you can add slider also. So header will include to every file. So that's why we can get the slider for every pages. Okay, you can increase the slider also, width of the slider, height of the slider from the these options. Okay, did you understand about this shortcode or not, Khushi and Nazar? About these shortcodes, it is automatic generated shortcode. We have to just use this shortcode for including the functionality of that particular plugin. Shortcode, this coding. Yeah, you get, or should I repeat again, Nazar? Kushi? Okay. What we have done, we just create a new slider, a slide. Okay. We can create any number of slider. From where we can get this option? Nazar, did you remember? Why we are getting this option into our dashboard or into our admin panel? Why we are getting this option? Because we install. Yeah, no, because this meta slider option. Why we getting this meta slider option? Because by default in our admin panel there is no meta slider option. Why we are getting? Because we install a plugin meta slider, a plugin name meta slider. That's why we are getting this option into our dashboard. Okay. Whenever you click on this option, did you remember we install a slide plugin? We downloaded a zip file. Yeah, that's why we installed, we activated our plugin. That's why we are getting this option. Whenever we click on this option, you can create any number of slide. How we create? Just click on plus. If you click on plus, then just click on add slide. Add slide, and you can choose images. Okay, you can upload new image file also. Just click on add to slider. What we have done, just choose 3 images. Now let's come to the shortcode. Whenever we create any slider or any functionality from any plugin, this is the functionality or not slider functionality because of this meta slider plugin. Khushi, is this a functionality or not? Means if anybody asks us just create a slider, so we have to know about the jQuery, we have to know about the CSS, we have to know about the HTML, and we have to put all the code about the slider, about the sliding using the jQuery, CSS, PHP or HTML. We need so many code, we need so many times to create a slider. But meta slider a plugin, or there is so many plugin of slider, not only meta slider. Okay, this is just a example of a slider plugin. There is so many different slider plugin. Okay, you can use any of one. So we have this install our plugin for slider. That's why we can create a slider. And if we can create the slider, we have to use or not, Nazar? Right now we have created, yes, we have created a second slider, but we have to use. How we use the slider, that depends on our shortcodes. The same thing depends on our shortcode. With the help of this shortcode, we can use anywhere into our website. Okay, so if you are editing, just copy. I just copied this shortcode. This is also called shortcode. Okay, template include. If you want, okay, this shortcode will use only for the pages or for the header menu. We can add it from our admin panel. Let's go to, let me just open one new tab, our same dashboard. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to pages. Okay, just see all pages. How many pages we have? Maybe 3 pages, 4 pages. Okay, sample page. Okay, we created 4 pages and one page is by default created sample page. Okay, we have put our first slider into home page or not? Just click on edit pages. I just click on edit. This is this shortcode we have copy and paste. This is the first slider, and if we paste, this is the second slider. Okay, we can remove our first slider from home page, but this slider will appear only on the home page. Okay, did you understand? Only on home page. How we get the home page? How we get the home page? Just clicking on the home tab. We have added the home page into our header menu or not? So this is our, one second, just refresh this. Oh, first, second, third. Okay, this is our first slider. Okay, in bottom of this slider we get our second slider. This is our second slider or not? Only three images, and this slider we have included on the header.php file. Header.php means this header.php file. And which header.php file we should add? Our second type of code, which is our second type of code. This short code we use, just we have to put this short code into the our home page. How we get this window? Fushi, how we get this window? Let's go back. We have, yeah, just going to all pages. Okay, one second. All pages, within all pages list will appear here. Just we click on edit option, home edit option, then we will get this window. We can put the shortcode here, then we will get the particular slider into that page. Okay, now just go back to our meta slider. There is one more code, template include. Now what is our requirement? What was our requirement earlier? I have to use the slider on every page. Okay, do you understand requirement? I just want to slider my slider on every pages. Means if I just change here, then it should be there. Okay, yeah, there is a slider and our content has been changed. Okay, only one slider because second slider is included on home page only. So how we do that? We have to put our second type of template code into the header.php file. And which header.php file? Actually within the themes there is so many themes we have installed, and there is pre-installed theme also, 3 or 4. Okay, so just go to your file structure. One second, sorry. Okay, just go to your file structure within the WordPress. Right now we have WordPress folder. After WordPress, WP contents, within the theme folder. Okay, we have 4 themes right now, and right now we have activated 2016. So that's why we are going to 2016. Same file structure will be available for 2014 also. Okay, in this also header.php, but we are not going to add that code into the 2014 folder. Okay, so because we have activated 2016, then only that slider will appear. What we have done, just open this header.php file. Yeah, this is the header.php file, and just put the code. This is the first slider. If I change the code, yeah, I just copy and paste the another code. I just replace the code to the second slider. Now I just save the file, and if I click here, then right now there is 4 slides. Now if it's refreshed, then we will get only 3 slides. Why? Because I have replaced my slider, first slider from second. Okay, I have just replaced my first slider to second slider. Okay, Nazar. Now Nazar, tell me, is there any doubt? I'm just putting this old slider on the home page, on the header. Khushi, do you understand how we use the short code? So every plugin will generate a different shortcode. We just use this shortcode to add the functionality, nothing else. Okay. So this is one example of plugin. Actually, we don't have time. Otherwise, I will just show you the contact form also. In the contact form plugin, the example of contact form 7 plugin is on the video. Did you see the video, Nazar? The whatever I have just shared the YouTube video. There is a option. There is a what you say description of contact form 7 plugin in that video. Okay, let's see. Okay, we will just discuss about the contact form 7 in tomorrow's session. Let's see about these widgets. Okay, is there any confusion in the plugin area? We have used only one plugin till now. We have used only one plugin till now. Okay, Khushi, is there any confusion in plugin area? What is the plugin? Plugin is just a pre-coded module, pre-coded functionality we will use. We can use these functionality into a website. How we can use? Just we have to install that particular plugin into our website. How we install? We can install from two way. You can install directly from web, or you can download that plugin and upload that plugin and install. Okay. If while you are installing your plugin, if you are getting a window which the window are asking you for FTP detail and your server detail, you can put a code into their WP config file. This WP config file, this code. Okay, I will just send you in the email this code and this file location, this file within the our WordPress folder only, not nowhere in the folders. Okay, within the WordPress folder we have W. Yeah, I will just send you the link also. Okay, we have to just put this code fs method and direct to argument of this define function. Okay, so it will just skip that step, so you can install plugin in your local system directly. Okay, just try to install. If you are getting that window, you can put this code. Okay, I will just send you within the email. So, and second way, you can upload. First you have to download that zip file. Don't extract that zip file, just download zip file and upload whole zip file. Then it will install, it will extract and install automatically. Our WordPress will extract and install automatically our plugin. If you extract it and try to select that file, then it will not installed. Okay, we have to use zip file only. Did you see? I just downloaded the zip file and just uploaded directly the zip file within the plugin area. Nazar? Yeah, in the plugin just click on add plugins. From here upload plugins, there is option upload plugins or search the plugin and install from here. Okay, two options. I have just uploaded the plugin because there's some configuration problem in my WordPress. Just choose file. After choosing file, I just use directly the zip file. Okay. So this is about the plugins. Okay, we will see more about the more plugin means contact form 7 or any other plugin. Okay, in tomorrow's section, right now we have to discuss a small thing about the widget area. Okay, just try to install your plugin, try to search about the plugin, or try to search custom means simple plugins. Okay, into the word from web, or you can follow the video. In that video they have maybe installed 9 or 10 different plugins. Okay, just follow the video steps, try to implement same site whatever within the video, try to implement the same site. Okay, Nazar and Khushi? Yeah, I need a same site whatever we they teaches in the video. Okay, and the simple process, if you just concentrate a little bit, then you will get the process. Okay, but a different folder, and just manage a different site for our session. Okay, session also whatever you have practiced, just you use different folder name or different site, and just create a one more folder, and try to implement the video site also. Okay, just now let's come on to the widgets area. These are okay. In the previous session also we have discussed about the widget. What is the widget? It will pre-coded module also. We just use these module into our any section. This is the sidebar. Where is the sidebar appearing? Let me show you this. This is the sidebar. In this theme it is appearing on our left hand side. Sorry, right hand side sidebar. Okay, so there is search option, because we have a widgets of search and recent post. There is no recent post. Okay, sorry, recent post after this. Okay, two widgets or not, Nazar? So this widgets will, yeah, this widgets will be, there should be a container of this widgets. Okay, so where is the container? This is the this sidebar. The heading of this container is sidebar. So this is the container you can add by just using drag and drop. This is the list of widgets you have in your theme in your WordPress right now. It can be vary according theme to theme also, and it can be add any new widgets use if you add any plugins. Okay, it's not necessary whenever you add any plugin there it should be appear here or the below of this option. It could be within the setting also, it could be within the appearance also, it could be within the widgets also, or it could be while you are editing your page. Okay, as per the plugin working of plugin. Okay, it will appear the that exactly place. Okay, we will just see, and you can just see in the video also. We will just see the example of this. Means our plugin will not appear, the option of our plugin not appear every time in this area. Okay, it could be appear in the widgets area also, in the setting whenever you click on the setting, or in the appearance also. Okay, in the setting also it could be. Okay, Nazar, did you understand? Okay, so there is three widgets container. First is sidebar, second is the content bottom one, content bottom two. Okay, now if I want to create a new container, this is a container. We can contain the widgets, different widgets into this container. From where we can create the container. Let's go to function.php, where there is a option function. There is a file function.php. On the same theme, whatever with the theme is activated. Okay, keep in your mind. This is the theme, Khushi. This is the theme or not, which is activated right now. Yeah. So we have to use this function.php of that same theme. What I'm doing, I'm just okay, I don't know why sublime option is not coming. Okay. Function.php, I just search widgets, widgets area. Okay, what I have searched widgets. So I will just lead to this line number 140. Scroll down. So these are the, just what you have to do, just copy this thing. Okay, what I have done, I'm just copying this. Just copy this. Okay, this is responsible for every container of widget. This first container of widget, and there is a, yeah, sidebar one heading. Sorry, this is the id is most important thing. Widgets title, there is a appear in your sidebar 2016 register sidebar. Okay, there is three. Yeah, we have three widgets container: first, second, and third. Okay, we have three container or not? Yeah, we can put any widgets into any container. Okay, now what I have done, I just copy any of one and paste in the bottom just before the end of this curly bracket. What I am doing, I'm just pasting, just paste whatever I have copied. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just change only this id. This id should be unique for every widgets container. Okay, this id should be unique. Now sidebar 1, 2 and 3 is there, you can use sidebar 4, otherwise it will generate error. Okay, Nazar? Now I just save this file and try to reload our admin section or dashboard. Yeah, the fourth one is appearing there or not? This is the fourth one. Okay, so we can create the any other widgets container also, widgets area. Do you understand what we have done? We just copy paste, nothing else. We just copy and the paste. You can change the name also from here. Just use new sidebar, then it will change to new sidebar. Okay, now there is one, you can say the short code. Um, there is short code for using. Right now we have created. Okay, we can include anything into this meta also, anything, whatever you want to put into this sidebar. And if we need to, where is text also one digit here. Okay, just click on the save meta, we just informative, nothing else. Just click on save. You can delete also or drag and drop outside this widget area, then it will remove from this widget area. What we have done, just create a new widget container and we put the widgets into that container, but it will not appear anywhere in our website till now. It will not appear anywhere into our website. Why? Because we didn't use them. Yeah, we have created, we have put the widgets also, but we didn't use anywhere. Did we use anywhere, Nazar? So how we use, there is a widget pre-code dynamic sidebar and the id, kind of short code, you can say the short code. Okay, I just copy this code and you can paste this code in any file. One second, I just copy it. Okay, any file means where we want to post our widget area. Second, we want to show our widget area, the home page also. Okay, in the header section also we can put. Okay, let me just show you on the header, then And tomorrow we will just see in the left hand side and right hand side. After this, this code is responsible for our slider. Did you remember the slider do shortcode? This is slider shortcode or not, Nazar? And yeah, and this is our dynamic sidebar. Dynamic sidebar, this is a one kind of function. It will just indicate our function, and we have to pass the id, a unique id. What is our unique id of sidebar? Yeah, same, sidebar 4. If we use sidebar 5 here, then we should use here sidebar 5. Okay, just save it. Then that sidebar will appear into our head section. Yeah, it will not look good. Where is just below that slider? February. No, 1 second. Just here is that. It's not appearing there. Function.php. 1 second. I have to save this file also. What we have in our widgets area, we have one calendar. New sidebar, we have one calendar and one information. Hello, is there hello is displaying anywhere? Let me save again. The title and maybe the content. 1 second, just give me 2 minutes, Nazar. Yeah, you are getting late. No, it is not displaying right now. Okay, we will see how it display in our next session. Okay, Nazar. We will display into the left hand side or right hand side. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, just keep in your mind, this is the way how we display our new, just how we create, just copy and paste this function.php file. And there is one short code, we I have just searched that short code into from the web. You can search using this id also, where this id is used in your folder. We today tomorrow I will just describe how we search any string into whole folder, okay, from the sublime text. Okay, so we will continue from tomorrow onwards, and maybe we will finish a basics of WordPress till tomorrow, and from the day after tomorrow we will start Drupal. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, is there any confusion? Just tell me. Okay, okay, Nazar. That's it for the session. I will just send you the video. You are getting late, or you can continue, Nazar. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. That's it for the session. Okay, Nazar. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay, Kushi. Just tell me, is there any confusion? I can repeat that thing. Do you have any confusion in this plugins? What is the plugins? How we use the plugins? Okay, oh, sorry, I didn't get you, Kushi. Okay, okay, you get the working of plugin and how we download, or you should, or you are asking me to repeat. Actually, your voice is breaking. Okay, okay, Kushi. So we should stop our session. Just try to revise today's session. Try to do yourself with yourself all the session, and just start the video also, the working on video also. Okay, just implement the video things also into your local system. Okay, Kushi. And if you have any question, any query arise, you can mail me or you can ask me within the session also. Okay. Okay, Kushi, that's it for the session. Bye bye, have a nice day.